Hey guys! So today I am hopping on to do my annual what I got for Christmas video, a little bit of Christmas normality for us all, in the sense that I do these every single year. This year has been a funny one, hasn't it? I mean, it's probably not what we all thought we would be doing this year, but I don't know about you guys, I had a really lovely Christmas. Sometimes it's nice actually just to not have any expectation. Like normally Christmas for us is a super busy time. River's birthday is just after Christmas. We normally have a Christmas party before Christmas, and then the last couple of years we've hosted Christmas for my entire family. We also normally go up to spend a few days with Mike's family in Yorkshire over Christmas, so we are like here, there and everywhere. We usually host like a New Year's Eve party as well. And it's actually been kind of refreshing this year, disappointing in a lot of ways, but kind of refreshing to actually not have any pressure to be organizing anything or cooking so much food or whatever. So yeah, I had a really lovely Christmas. I hope you guys did too, even if it wasn't your normal Christmas. And I know a lot of you haven't been able to see your families, but sending you lots of love from us, and I hope you had a good Christmas regardless. Next year will be better. Let's go hard next year. Anyway, I thought I would film this video because I do it every single year. I love watching everyone else's, seeing what everyone got for Christmas. So I thought I would show you some of the lovely things I got given from my friends and family this year. Obviously we haven't seen a lot of people in person, so it's maybe a few less things because I think a lot of people, we're just gonna wait until we next see each other because it's like something to look forward to exchange gifts. But I did get given some lovely things. So first of all is this cute little box from my friend Sam and Lauren, who gave me, it's like a little matchstick box, but it's called Spark Happiness 50 Ways to Celebrate the Everyday. And then inside are these little like fake matches that have little ways to celebrate every day. And I think that's such a cute, optimistic little present, especially with everything that's been happening over the past year. Really lovely little present. Another thing that I got that was so pretty, and I've never heard of this brand before, this was from Mike's sister, one of Mike's sisters, and it is a candle. How pretty is this? It kind of reminds me of the Fornasetti ones, but it's a brand called Chase and Wonder, and it smells super similar to Diptyque Bay, which is one of my all-time favorite scents. It's like really rich, kind of sharp, tart berry smell. So divine. And she also gave me the matching long matches as well with the same illustration. How nice is that? So lovely. She sent those in the post actually. We were supposed to see them at some point this year, but obviously hasn't been able to happen, and we've had that cancelled so many times, so we've given up with keeping presents anymore, and she's just like, we're just sending them to each other. Next up, from my brother and his family, I got a gym set from Hush, which I love. They do stars on everything, and they bought me this workout bra, which is gold, got gold stars all over it, and I love the detail on the back. So pretty. Can you see that? It's like got like a double strap. So they got me the sports bra and the leggings as well to go with them, which is really cool because they're like black at the top and then they go into the kind of funky stars at the bottom. Really like those. I haven't actually tried them on yet, but hopefully they'll fit. And then from my mum this year, I got a really lovely present. I absolutely love it. First of all, she got me this Missoni, which has the brand. It needs a bit of an iron actually because it's been crumpled up, but look how pretty this print is, and I love the colours. I love these little twilly scarves, both for tying in my hair but also tying on my bags. I just think it's so pretty, and I love the colourway of this. That was from my mum. And then she also gave me, if you guys don't know, my mum actually has a jewellery Instagram account. She sells antique jewellery. And she got this ring in a few months ago, and I was like, oh my god, mum, I really want that. Can I buy it? Can you sell it to Mike for me for Christmas? I love it so much, please. And she wouldn't let me buy it. She was like, no, I'm selling it. Like, it's too, you know, it's a really good piece of stock. Like, I'm not gonna let you buy it because I'm not gonna charge you the full price. So basically she was like sneaking it away for Christmas, and I love it. She gave it to me for Christmas Day. It's so pretty. It's a mint quartz. So it's a square cut mint quartz. It looks a bit like an aquamarine, but it's slightly greener, surrounded by tiny little diamonds, and it's like Art Deco style. So it's very square. The setting is really high as well, and I just think it's absolutely beautiful, and it fits me like a glove. I absolutely love it. I love it, love it, love it. I'm so happy with that. So yeah, that was from my mum and dad. Really special present this year. Really excited by that. One of my best friends, Kelly, bought me this really cool headband. I was gonna say headscarf, but it's kind of like, you know, it's one of those ones that looks a bit like a scarf, but it's a headband. I'm just gonna take the label off. This is from Oliver Bonus, and it's like this gorgeous, deep, teal coloured velvet. Hang on, it's like tucked under. Gorgeous, deep, teal coloured velvet with star studs on it. I really like that. I never know how to wear headbands, whether to do them like this or whether to put them like over the top like that. I kind of mix it up and wear them in different ways. I feel like you need a bit more volume if you do that. So pretty. I love that. That was from my friend Kelly. And then, oh, my friend Libby bought me a set of copper jugs. There were actually 4 of them. These are just 2 of them. But they're antique copper jugs. I absolutely love these. I think they look so nice lined up in my kitchen on a shelf. I thought that was a really lovely present. And then Mike's mum actually bought me something that has been on my wish list of things since last Christmas. And I don't know if you guys remember, Mike actually bought me the same thing in a different colour last Christmas. But they are these cushions, which are from a brand called Timorous Beasties. I have the navy, or like they're actually, I think they're supposed to be black, but they have like a slight blue to them in my kitchen at the moment that Mike got me last Christmas. These are the mustard ones that I originally wanted, and they were completely sold out last year, and Mike's mum managed to find them for me this year, and I'm so happy. I love them. So I got 2 of those. They're so squishy as well, such gorgeous quality. I love them. 2 of those from Mike's parents. And then onto the things that Mike bought me. The first thing he got me is actually this jumper, which you guys might recognise because I have it in black already. It's from the Kooples, and I love it because it has this piercing detail on it. So it's like quite a chunky cut. It's quite like oversized, and it covers your bum as well, which I really like. And it's really soft. It's a wool cashmere blend, and it's actually previous season, so I think it's from last winter. I got mine in Bicester Village, and then I also spotted that they had the white one, so I kind of may have mentioned to Mike that I would like the white one, and I got it for Christmas, which I was super excited about. And the other thing he got me was this scarf, which is, again, a different colourway of something that I already have. This is from N Peel. I don't know if you guys have seen me wear my big, huge, oversized grey scarf. This is the black version, and I honestly think I will wear this so much. I wear the grey one so much. This is the black version. It's just the perfect size for me because it's really big, it keeps you super warm, and it's that kind of flat textured cashmere that is really often, they do it in a lot of like men's scarves that are just not quite big enough, and this one's just really oversized, really cozy. Actually, I used the grey one. Oh my god, my hair's so static now. I used the grey one a lot when River was a baby, especially when we'd travel and stuff. They are amazing for travel, actually, scarves this big, because I used to wear it to keep myself warm. You can use it as, like, you know, kind of shawl on the plane or throw on the plane. And then if River ever got cold at night, I would just pop it over her and use it as a baby blanket as well. So yeah, the dream. I'm so happy with this. Absolutely love it. And then Mike also, my main present from Mike was actually quite an ingenious idea, and it weirdly coincided with my sister's gift for me, which was a bar cart. I'm going to insert a clip here of said bar cart, but my sister basically bought me this cute little bar cart with a bottle of gin and some Moscow Mule like mugs, and what else did it have on it? Some like little decoration bits like pineapples and stuff. And then Mike bought me a whole box of gin supplies. So he actually got me a set of 6 of these incredible Waterford Crystal gin ball glasses, which are so stunning. I love these, and at the moment we make our gin in red wine glasses and they're just not quite right. These are so beautiful. So he bought me a set of 6 of these, and then he also bought me a bottle of Salcombe gin, which I'd never heard of before, but it was delicious. A load of tonic. Yeah, I think that was it. Yeah, so like the glasses, the gin and the tonic, and my sister then got me the bar cart, so we ended up putting them on the bar cart, making gin and tonic on Christmas Day, which was really, really cool. So yeah, that's what Mike got me. And lastly, another little gift that is from Mike, and I'm so excited about this because the lighting in our bedroom, I basically do my makeup in the dark in the winter, which sucks. It's like basically surprise makeup. He got me this makeup light, which I actually put on my Instagram stories and was like, look at these look great. So I think it like adapts to the lighting that you have. I haven't opened it or used it yet, but it looks so good. I cannot wait to have a bit of light on my face when I'm doing my makeup. And you may be wondering, why didn't I have one of these before now? That's a very good question. Literally, the lighting in our bedroom is a joke. It's so dark. In the summer, it's fine because there's lots of windows, but if you're getting ready like before 9 o'clock in the winter, it's pitch black outside and just not very light in our bedroom. The lighting is not good. So yeah, really excited for that. And that's everything that I've got to show you guys. I hope you all had a lovely Christmas, like I said at the beginning. Little bit of a different one, but I hope you all were warm and safe and happy with at least, you know, a few of the people that you love in your life. I know a lot of you guys will have been in tier 4 in the UK and that hasn't been easy, but yeah, sending you all lots of love. And here's to a very much more exciting, much happier 2021 where we all get to hang out and hug our loved ones a whole lot more. Fingers crossed. The other thing I wanted to say is I'm having a bit of a break from the internet over the next couple of weeks. Obviously I've come on and filmed this. I'm going to be on Instagram a little bit, but I'm just taking a bit of time off with Mike. We had actually planned to go down to the south of England and Kent, which obviously now is not happening. Kent is in tier 4, and as is the other place we were going to go in the south of England. So we'd planned to take a week off and do that, which is obviously not happening anymore. So we're still having some time off and not going to be kind of doing our usual thing. Mike's taking the time off work, which is really exciting, and just spending some time with River. So I'm not going to be posting like normal. This is obviously going up. There's also a beauty favourites going up, like a 2020 beauty favourites going up at New Year, but I'll see you in January, and I hope you guys have a really nice break, and if you do get some time off, I hope you have a nice kind of relax and recharge for the year ahead, because I know we all need it this year. Sending you lots of love, and I'll see you not so soon as usual, but still soon. Bye guys.